Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing and review on my new mobile jump starter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Man, I actually love having these. Like, well, you want to make sure you have one at least in all your vehicles. It's like a quick start guide, your manual. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it out. This is really nice and compact. I like it. Looks cool too. And then you also get the Type-C cables, and then the actual jump starters themselves. Let's go ahead and actually hook it up. So all you gotta do is lift this piece up right here, and then you just connect it onto here, and then just turn it on, and then it is good to go. And all you gotta do now is just hook it up to the right part of the battery, and it'll fire that right up. And then I'll also turn on this piece right here. Let me show you. So it's got a light on here. Probably one of those features that goes unseen, but it's nice to have a flashlight, especially like if you're stranded somewhere that you need a little bit of light, or it's just dark wherever you're at and you just need it to see inside. This will do that as well. And I believe it has other settings on it. So it has that. So very, very cool. It is a 12 volt. And it does work for an 8-liter all the way up to a 6-liter diesel. So this would work for a wide variety of vehicles, serve as a power bank. So this is where you'll plug in that Type-C to charge the device. But if you plug in a USB right here, I'll show you with my phone. And we'll plug it into my phone here. Just power this on. And there it is. Yeah, power. So even if you're like stranded somewhere, you need to charge your phone or tablet, you'll be able to do so. And like I said, if you need an emergency light, you'll have that. And then you can also jumpstart your car. I do love that digital screen on here and the battery meter. So if you're looking for a new jump starter, make sure you get this one. Highly recommend. I'm gonna leave that link down below. 10 out of 10.